Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to film a little bit of what I was doing this week and just make a vlog out of it. I had a couple of hours spare this afternoon while my boyfriend was at his uni class to go to Target and just look at some clothes because I haven't been there in ages, and just see what kind of swimwear and all that they have and other sort of clothing. And I'll show you what I get if I get anything. I think I'll probably also go to the other shopping centre and just look around and just see what else I can find, really. That's pretty much all. Okay, so I'm just here now at Target Country. I'm just gonna look at some swimmers and whatever other clothing that I can see in there today. Show you what I got at Cotton On. I got a pair of sunglasses by the brand Ruby, just these sort of pink ones. Yeah, they had a deal on for like 2 for $20. I also got my boyfriend a pair of sunnies as well. I don't know why they gave me a pink case when it's guys sunnies, but that's just those ones I got from him. What else did I get? I also got this Peachy Keen lip balm. I wanted to try that out. Got it for $25, down from $50. So it's just one of these sort of pink jacket, cropped from there. They only had like 2 sizes, so I got like a size 14. I like my jackets a little bit bigger. I also got this dress. It's black. I'll show you. So it's just this black dress. It's just really simple and classy, I thought it was. This one was $40. Yeah. And it's the same dress as what I'm wearing right now, just in a different pattern. So it's, yeah, you can get this in this colour, black. There was a pink one. I think there was like black with like another different design on it. So yeah, those are what I got at Cotton On. So at Target I got 2 things. I got a top that was $12, I'm pretty sure. It's just a simple basic t-shirt with just a design on the front. So yeah, that's just what I got. Other thing I got was this dress for $39. Just a maxi dress, so yeah, longish. And yeah, I just thought the colour looked really pretty. So yeah, that's all I got in Target. I'm just gonna go up to the uni now in the library and see if I can finish editing my makeup collection video, and then I'll upload it as soon as that's done. So I'll probably upload it at around 6ish, hopefully 6:30. So yeah, I'll keep you updated when I've uploaded the video and all that. So I'll see you in the library next. So I'm making brownies later on today. I'm going to be using peanut butter chips by Reese's and a Betty Crocker triple chocolate brownie mix. And just this pan I got the other day. So what we're going to do first is preheat the oven to 180 degrees or 160 fan forced. Okay, so we're just going to put this pan aside until we've done the mixture. Okay, so now we're going to put the 2 eggs into the brownie mixture. So we're going to whisk these 2 eggs. Okay, so once the 2 eggs are mixed, we're going to put this into the brownie mixture and stir through. Okay, so now we're going to melt this 125 grams of butter and put that into this mixture. So now we're going to put these Reese's peanut butter chips inside of that as well. Okay, so I put the brownie mixture into the pan now and just spread it evenly in the pan, and I'm going to put it into the oven now. Okay, so we're going to set the timer to about 15 minutes one side, turn it around and then do another 15 minutes. And hopefully they should be done. So I've just taken it out of the oven now. I'm just going to let it cool for 10 minutes in the pan. Then I'm going to remove it from the pan and place it onto a wire rack to cool completely.